Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and making some really good trades, and let's get right into it because Bitcoin could be getting ready for a very significant move. And right now I am on BITO, which is actually the ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF that I was just taking a look at earlier. But let's get right on to Bitcoin because let's take a look at what it is doing. Right now we have still managed to hold the $27,200 support, and we actually formed a very nice bullish divergence. As you guys can see, we made a low here and a lower low today, down all the way down to 26,926, but managed to bounce back up. And on the RSI, we can see that we made a very nice higher low, right? So RSI making lower low here, and the price making a lower low, RSI making a higher low. That's your bullish divergence. Let's take a look at Market Cipher and see what's going on there. Daily time, sorry, not daily time frame, 4-hour time frame, also forming a bullish divergence as well, and looking pretty good at the moment. However, we do have a lot of red money flow, so please take that into account. However, the dual band strength index is looking quite good with a -5 and a 15. The daily time frame looking a little bit bearish at the moment with a 10 and a 1. It was looking a little bit more bullish with this yesterday's candle here, or sorry, today's candle. But let's just see how tomorrow's day is going to be. We have some very big earnings coming out tomorrow. Microsoft, Google. I'll just pull it up here for you guys. I think I went over it yesterday, but we'll go over it once more, no problem. And again, feel free to join the Crypto Mickey Discord. The link is going to be in the description. You guys can feel free to become members. You can either become, a crypto member, get access to my margin trades or my spot trades, or you can feel free to become a stock member or even a gold member. You actually get access to all these channels listed right here. So let's continue and let's take a look at the earnings. So tomorrow we got Verizon, UPS, Halliburton, McDonald's, 3M, and GE, and Spotify at the open. And on top of that, we have PepsiCo as well. Today we got Coca-Cola. Now actually they had pretty good earnings. And after the close tomorrow, we're going to have Microsoft, Google, Visa, Texas Instruments, some very big companies reporting tomorrow. So keep your eyes peeled. The market is on edge because of that, and they are waiting to see what is going to happen. All right, let's take a look at the 12-hour. 12-hour looking okay, not too shabby. And let's get it maybe on the smaller time frame. So the 1 hour is actually looking quite good. You have some green money flow coming in here, so that is something I really like to see. But what I want to see is follow through, and I want to see us break 28,900 and continue up to 28,800. If we can break that level, then you got your final level coming in at 29,500. But that's going to be we got to take out these lower levels first, and then we can continue on towards the upside. Okay, let's take a look at Bitcoin on WaveEdge now. So on WaveEdge, we can see we had a significant amount of buying coming in here on the 4-hour time frame, and on top of that, the daily time frame you confirm with a green cross here. So again, like I mentioned in yesterday's video, the last time this happened, right during this rally that we've gotten some pretty significant moves towards the upside. Does this mean it's going to keep giving us a significant move towards the upside? Absolutely not. Eventually it will start to fail and we will see a break in the Bitcoin price. But if earnings are okay tomorrow and the markets do not crash and hold out throughout the day, then you could very well see another leg up in Bitcoin as high as 35,000, maybe even higher. Maybe we'll go to 38. But for the time being, I got my price target set at 32 to 35,000. Current price is 27,440. So still a very big move for us to go. If we were to rally to 32, that would be a 16% move. And if we go to 35 or 35,800, that would be around a 30%. Okay, but I'm going to play it safe. And if we get to there, then I'm probably going to exit my position. But if we don't and we keep breaking down, then we still have some support coming in at 26,500 as low as 25,000, which would be extremely major support. Okay. All right, let's get on over to natural gas quickly because nat gas had a very nice move today. It was up 3% on the day. It actually finally broke above $22.41. But what I want to see is follow through tomorrow. I want to see if nat gas can continue its move towards the upside. This would confirm that wave 2 is in, and we are waiting now for wave 3. which would be, you know, it could go as high as $3 or maybe as low as $2.70. It could be very short-lived as well. Okay, so please take that into account when you're making your trades. Let's keep going here. Let's take a look at oil. Oil was actually up on the day as well, and it is holding at $77 level that I've outlined here. And if we do start to rally back up, then you're going to still find major resistance at $82. But eventually, I think we will start to break down as recession fears will grip the market, and then we are going to go down to $65 for as low as $45. And we already tagged my target at 65, and you guys already know we did long this right here. That was a beautiful long because we managed to close a position, an amazing profit. So feel free to get those free trades inside the Discord as well. I do post those trades, those free trades inside the Discord. So if you guys trade those commodities, feel free to join. Let's take a look at the S&P 500 today. Bit of a flat day, not too much price, not too much action today, but really I think the market's just waiting for those big earnings coming tomorrow. And if we get some, you know, some relief from those earnings, then we could see some more upside in the S&P 500 as high as 4,200. Sorry, as high as 4,300. But my first target is going to be 4,200. You can see the market has been essentially chopping sideways since Option X last week and not doing much, just waiting to see what these companies are going to report. I think the market is extremely nervous as the volume is abysmally low. Let's take a look at the SPY volume today, so we see what we got in terms of volume on the daily. Let's check it out here. So it's not the 4 hour, the daily time frame. Yeah, we only had 64 million shares, so extremely light volume today. Not too much to do there. We actually keep retesting this downsloping trend line here as support, which is, you know, the more you test support, the more likely it is going to break eventually. But, you know, for the time being, it has not broken it. It keeps wicking down. We keep getting wicks up just below it, and then we keep rallying up. So this to me tells me that we could have one leg higher left into this market, okay, before we start to really break down. All right, let's take a look at the Nasdaq. Again, Nasdaq very flat, not too much action there. Tomorrow we got Spotify earnings. We'll see if we get any rallies in those subscription-based companies. Russell 2000, not too much to do there. Let's take a look at the 10-year yield, see what the 10-year is doing. The 10-year is actually starting to pull back down once more, but it is kind of forming a bit of a bull flag here from this last move that we've gotten. So I wouldn't be surprised to see if you see another pop in the 10-year yield, which would not be good for the traditional markets because yields going up means markets going down. All right, higher yields mean discounted earnings. For a lot of those companies, especially those tech stocks. I think that covers it for the indices and Bitcoin. Let's take a look at gold quickly. Gold, again, nothing too much to do here. I still think it's a little bit overbought. I think that we would get another pullback in gold and along with silver as well, because this was a bit of a fear play in the markets. And right now, if silver comes back up, you could potentially get a double top pattern forming at $26, so please keep an eye on that. We'll see how this one plays out in the coming days. But yeah, you guys get the picture here. Essentially, I still think we could have a little bit of upside left in Bitcoin, although not too much. If we do manage to get to 32 to 35,000, that's where I'm going to be placing my big short on Bitcoin. And if we don't get there, and let's say this was our high around 31,000, then I'm gonna, wait to play it on the short side as well. We're gonna play the pattern. We're just gonna wait for a bounce back up because nothing goes down in a straight line. Eventually, we will get a pullback in the markets. A bounce back up in the markets. And right now, Bitcoin's a little bit oversold on a 4 hour. So let's see what happens in the coming days. Okay, so I'll keep you guys up to date on that. So feel free to join my Discord, get access to all my trades in the links in the description. You guys can also join the free Discord and get access to those free commodity trades. And if you guys want to follow me on Big Cat Trading, you can get access to my trades there as well. All right, thanks for listening, guys. Love you all. Thank you so much for subscribing as well. We are almost at 20,000 subscribers, and once we get to 20,000 subscribers, we are going to do a very nice little giveaway for all of you. So we're gonna have a nice little fun live stream. It'll be awesome, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.